The Mafesa Wall Outlet Extender is a versatile surge protector designed to expand a standard wall outlet into 6 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and 1 USB-C port. It features a built-in surge protector rated at 490 joules, ensuring your devices are shielded from voltage spikes. The unit includes a convenient removable shelf to hold phones, tablets, or everyday essentials, making it ideal for compact spaces. This outlet expander supports a total output of 15 amps and 1875 watts for AC outlets, while the USB ports deliver a combined 3.1 amps with Smart IQ technology for optimized fast charging. Its compact design fits over a 2-gang outlet and provides full protection against overcurrent, overcharging, and overheating. Installation is simple, just plug it into a grounded duplex receptacle. The shelf can be removed if preferred, and the device is suitable for use in various rooms, provided the outlet type matches. Ideal for homes or offices needing more charging options without clutter, this product keeps devices organized and protected. It's perfect for users with multiple electronics and limited counter space. The Mafesa Wall Outlet Extender combines safety, convenience, and efficiency for everyday power needs.